like unveiling a present of crab meat. One big, juicy, delicious chunk of crab meat. time to eat. I'd like to thank all my subscribers for being here with me on the road to 100. Congratulations to the channel. Couldn't have done without you guys. Now, let's see, which part do you guys want to see first? Always separate. You see this ligament? Whatever that's called? That will keep the meat in there when you try to pull it out and make a mess, so. My God, so good. So you want to pull that out first. And we'll go ahead and cut. And the red side is the harder side. So the white side is what you want to cut. Look at that. It's like unveiling a present of crab meat. One big, juicy, delicious chunk of crab meat. Now here I've got two different sauces. Well, this is just butter. With some salt in it. I used unsalted butter, but then I added salt to it. Hot. And then this is what we eat in Cambodia. And my family's a recipe of a dipping sauce, and it's got two different hot pepper, which is Thai chili peppers, cilantro, garlic, and fish sauce. And let's do the butter first because I can really taste it. You won't be able to taste the butter after that, I don't think. Oh, so good. This stuff is expensive for a reason, because that right there was probably almost a quarter of, not quarter, but probably 3/4 of a pound. So, I mean, just eating that by yourself usually gonna be enough for dinner. Basically, you just gotta steam one leg and then eat it. And it took what, 10 minutes to get ready and steam? I grew up on that dipping sauce. It's so good, you can eat it with anything. Beef, chicken, whatever you name it. But one of my favorites is crab. Crab is my all-time favorite food. It's just so dang expensive. Ooh. Gotta get in there and get as much hot pepper and everything you can in one. Look at that. Oh, that's some cilantro. Alright, here we go. You gotta mix it with rice. Oh yeah. Which one do I prefer? It depends on where I'm at and what day it is, I guess. Because if I'm at a Red Lobster and they don't have rice and our dipping sauce, I'm gonna have to go with the butter. But alright, this knuckle piece, break it one side, then the other, and if you're lucky, let's see if it comes out. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, it's not wanting to come out. Oh, there we go. Boom. I got it out one piece because that sinew was still attached to it. See what I'm saying? That's why you gotta pull that stuff apart before you eat it. Get that butter in there. Ooh yeah, baby. Alright, break this part. Separate. There we go. See if we can get this piece out. It's just a small piece, but I'm greedy when it comes to crab. I don't want to waste it. Oh, there we go. And woohoo! See that? I would have missed that if I threw that out. That was worth it. Alright, on this piece. There we go. And there we have it. One full piece. I don't think I put enough hot pepper in here. No, oh, so good. Alright, now for this part. This is the what's inside of the crab's main shell. And they're all separated by these little chambers, right? So you gotta be careful. You pull it apart. So you try and get it where it's still housed inside the chamber. Right there. Oh, that's good. That's good. Oh. Gotta send you a piece. I don't think it's called sinew, but that's just what I'm calling it. Oh, did I forget to tell you? I gotta go to work right after this, so I'm gonna have crab bread at work. Lucky for us, we have to wear a mask. Watch, I get sent home for offending people with my crab breath. I can't help it, the crab is so good. And I just hit 100 subscribers. We don't care what you did. And after I'm finished here, I gotta crack all the crab shell for my girlfriend. She didn't have strong manly hands like I got. Alright, so maybe they're not that strong and manly, but she still needs help cracking the shells. Alright guys, thanks for cooking and eating with me. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And congrats to the channel for 100 subscribers. Hopefully we'll do another crab episode when we hit 1,000 subscribers. Alright, peace and have a happy lazy life. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.
Next level, lazy.
Life for us is
Lazy.
life for us. Static treated, we get drinks. Static says we get drinks. It's
Lazy.
life